Well, Martin Mugambi, nonto bonda tu na ngira kune ati ACIARI ba CUKURU ya ruyo wandini ya mekinduri bari wa CUKURU iwete Antoni arayomba wete diana mbere mathomo ya junior secondary ikudiretina MATHAGA yonde yarabatire na inyari mu bakwana ACIARI bane ndi bakulele mikabakiwa IRASI birabatuma yarabinyanite muno kwa mukirari tobange ukedrwa kwina dina inene.
Cukuru eruyo primary ira iwandine mekindori tigania centro ni imwe 47 cia muingi na 7 cia mtu kiumbe ira ikoroketwe wetethia na mbere mathomo ya junior secondary ndo kuringana na ACIARI ba CUKURU kinyari toba IRASI biu bingi birenthe baina mathina kithomba yario kwaga IRASI arimo batikwana amwe na bingi bibingi ontoboto makinya kirasi kia grade 7 gikamurio kibo
CUKURU ete kinya sioni batwe toriga guntu gukario uginya na bariga baki kakwa rugo rukuma ruyaro kulukite kiriana
IRASI bieto bite kwana kinya ite biongo biunikangire CUKURU eto tena security stima eto nikwirikana ina iranduri nene itukuromba ututethie kinya kuthiria iranduri ukithia gukombeka kenda CUKURU eto stima ciombe wankana
kwina deficit ya arimu mbua batano na yo imurigo yo munene sana inya ACIARI kuriga bakigaramya ngarema cia arimu baunku master room bakuami nonto tolasi tuka staff room karabariga kakario mukurungu IRASI bya ruyo primary ibya mou ACIARI barabeta bawetwa banyojo eruare twana two obandu no katoriga na tubojo twetaira IRASI roe boke ya kwa ile mabati ya CUKURU yonda ya matune kayariga ya kiringa wairugo ya keya mblon
CUKURU yari naritwa over 800 ruarin am amazed CUKURU yari naritwa less than 300 from 800. It means that negative projector is not good.
With the renovation nonto mabungwa kinyato akiri class kimwe kiana 50 kite utethia ya to renovate CUKURU owara na anangirie imwe kana maana ya na bombekia kwithira bakiona service
kumania na maubatu ya CUKURU emwe kimanthiuru na rietwa Roslyn Academy ni iritanirite utetheria wa karangi no kwerugia CUKURU iri imwe njira cia kuyuria mutaratara yo ya kithomo.
Every year Roslyn Academy sends their students throughout Kenya as a part of the curriculum to go and learn about the culture of the beautiful areas of this country that we're at, as well as do some service. So it is a yearly thing. And we're happy to be able to start doing this again after a couple of years where it was more difficult with COVID time. And so right now we have all high school students across the country doing that.
In fact, ira twachoa CUKURU ira ethiri burue wa karangi twathiolongera korokia CUKURU itano na tona CUKURU ni thiriri pio na ko inkwatana na bora atongeri ba CUKURU bakuga ni kwenda otethio
na kuringana na MCO Gontoko Julius Mereti Kaimbo mubango ya CBC yombo kinyithia ritoba Kenya kiwango neke ikirikano ritoba no bongo bagaka CUKURU rangi nonto kebo no mwe na mathomo ya kirasine
twanjiriritie boya muno kinya kethe kuna changamoto hapa na pale cia materials cia classes cia funding but inkomenya kana I'm hopeful that CBC tokameta slowly but cautiously at one time talking the level ya Roslyn Academy kwithira kwina na beto bageta in other overseas countries kutethia no kinyabo nonto they are equal to the level of the world.
Kuringana Kaimbo
nkageria bora nkaomba kulayas na tongere bange na community tone iwango be kithomo kibya CUKURU ebi witia nonto be na very good able and teacher pro no like amanto ya kithomo muno na imbitie ability yawe towards gukiria kithomo kwa kwirigira CUKURU ya merekera
akiareria mathina ya junior secondary mwerekerio kithomo tigania central kanyiwa mumwe
and learning has started even though we have not received all the teachers we need. The schools are using the teachers that are existing in those schools and they have started teaching. The learners have settled. We have a few issues, of course, where maybe an approved school has a number of feeder schools with some squeezed classrooms and some that desks are not adequate. But we have asked the schools and the school boards to meet and be able to address those challenges. but we have asked that they must address those challenges to ensure that the learners are in school. Hakuna mtoto anafaa kutumwa nyumbani ati hakuja na sare, ati hakuja na nini. Anafaa akiingia asajiriwe na aanze kusoma.
Na kile ACIARI
waache kuwa na uoga, wapeleke watoto shuleni. Kama yeyote ako na shida yote ama ameitishwa kitu ambaye anaona si halali, akuje kwa ofisi zetu, tutawasaidia.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kuma Thiina, Mbeta wa Mukiri wa Mithika.